it's MK, and today I am going to be going into a rock here. It's like a photo shoot. Last time there was one in Vegas. This time there's one in Burbank. So kind of looks like a castle. Looks really cool. So it kind of looks like a castle, but I think it's really cool. So we're just gonna go inside and whoa, it's cold in here. Holy moly! Oh my gosh, my friend Jamie is already there. So here's one photo shoot. There's this one with yellow. That one has like a cute little balloons, and that girl's like holding a rock here, hair thing. I love it. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Right here, the angel wings. It's like white on one side, pink on the other. So that's cool. There's this really big flower.
I like these. But if I'm trying to get you to do something, you're like, I don't want to do that. She got like this.
There's like makeup stuff over here.
How are you?
Good.
Let me help you with.
Okay. So here's a pop socket. Here's a rock necklace. Like there's like,
Look at Mama. They're really big, but
they have masks that says rock on it.
they're really big.
What is this? What's in here? Do you know? It's the rock your hair necklace. Open it, Abby. It's the rock your hair necklace. Look, this is what the rock your hair necklace looks like. Alright. So I have this lip gloss. I love it. It's practically almost empty because I use it almost every single day.
I know what it looks like. It's just you're not gonna be able to wear it.
This is so cute.
They have cake pops. I get this.
Ooh, maybe we should get a cake pop, Abby.
That's so true, but
Let's go. Oh my gosh, girl. Look, there's these wings.
I don't know which one I want.
There's these wings. I'm eating
Or maybe I could just use you.
a dessert. It's like a yogurt parfait kind of. It has raspberries, yogurt, and granola on the bottom. And a baby part. Cute. I just bought this new shirt, and I'm gonna go try it on and go in the bathroom. It says rock and it's black, so I just put on the new shirt that I got, and it looks cute. It's a bit loose, but I like it. So I'm gonna go take a picture here. So yeah. Abby is doing her first. Abby is taking a picture, and she actually looks good. She looks cute. Oh, Abby's like doing. What is Abby doing? She's like she's like putting one hand right there, and then like the other like.
You look like you're like
right there. Oh my god! Wait, what in the world? Abby's putting on the wings.
she's going to fly away.
Fly away like a bird. Looks so
I
cool.
thought Miss Michaela was going to fly away yesterday at the beach with a big curtain. She's like, it's like a sail. So go like this for me, and then go like this. Like turn
There's
to the
some
side.
dark angel wings that I kind of want to wear. There's some like
Fabulous, Miss
rocket
Abby.
hair thing that you can take pictures with. You can take pictures with roses, wings, or balloons.
This over here. Alright, girlfriend. She's like, so I should grab onto the ends of your hair and hold it like this for me, okay? Let's show them how long it is. Miss Michaela, my smile kiddo. I love it. So fun. No spraying the photographer, please. So hold it like this and we're gonna take it. This is my
another photo thingy thing. Photo, what is it called? Photo thing? Photo shoot. Photo shoot. I don't know what it's called, but like another one of these. But the background is purple this time. And there's a look. Like for the accessories, there's like a huge rose. Like look how big this rose is. This is bigger than my head. There's these wings. There's this other wing. In here, there's like roses. Hold on. Like roses, I guess. Over here are dark wings, like dark fairy wings. There are some rock your hair bottles. And there are more flowers, teal flowers. So that's a lot. And like my friend Abby, she has a red rose and some roses around her face. And she has like stuff on her hair. She has like stuff on her hair and stuff, and it's really cute. So.
Or am I looking at her belly out? Socks on. Sit down.
So she's getting pictures done. I really enjoyed this rock your hair photo shoot. It was really fun, and I loved like I just love the pictures because they all made me do like cute little poses and stuff. But bye guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my channel and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Turn on post
Bye.
notifications.